Hey everyone, welcome to the video and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of one of the features of Wealthy Affiliate. If you've been on my channel before, you know that this is my #1 recommended training platform for anybody who wants to be an affiliate marketer, who wants to learn step by step how to be successful and how to build a business online. This is the #1 platform and training program that I personally use and that I recommend to anybody who is serious about this business. So let's move over to what I want to talk about today, which is the one of the training programs they have. They have a lot. So here we are, and this is my dashboard. And here under the training tab, I've already pulled it up, and we've got the Online Entrepreneur Certification course. And this is going to teach you step by step exactly how to get started and build your own business, build a website, and become an affiliate marketer and start making money online. As you can see, there's a lot more. We got classrooms, we got the affiliate bootcamp, as well as some other training videos. But today I just wanted to touch on the entrepreneur certification courses. So what's included in this? Well, you get 5 courses, and each one has 10 lessons within them. So that's a total of 50 lessons. That's a ton of training material, just that alone. And I'm going to really quickly just walk you through the courses. So here are the 5 courses. The first one is Getting Started, and then Building Your Own Traffic Producing Website, Making Money. That's why we're here, right? To make money. Mastering Social Engagement, and then Achieving Maximum Success Through Content Creation. So as you can see, it builds out as you go along in the course. And before I go any further, I do want to mention that if you sign up under the free starter membership, you're going to get this first course here, the Getting Started, which is 10 lessons. Okay? The other 4 courses you will get if you upgrade to premium. So I just wanted to put that out there. Personally, I recommend upgrading to premium and investing in yourself, because you are not going to find another platform that has this amount of training and education anywhere online, especially not for the price that premium is offered at. It is well worth the price, and yeah, you can build a business with just this one course right here. You can kind of know what you're doing, but let's be honest. I mean, you're not going to know how to market yourself on social media, which is a huge thing nowadays. Everybody's on social media. So it's something that I recommend, but you can obviously get started with just the starter membership and check it out, take it for a test drive, and kind of get your feet wet. That's what I recommend people do. And then if they see that this is for them, go ahead and make the jump to premium. So let's look at a little bit more in depth into these courses. So here, the first one, Getting Started. Like I said, each one has 10 lessons. So in the Getting Started one, you have lesson 1 is Getting Rolling, then Understanding How to Make Money Online. This is going to show you exactly, what the process is of affiliate marketing, in case you don't know. Choosing a Niche, Building Your Own Niche Website. So right off the bat, lesson 4, it's going to walk you through how to build your own website. Okay, and with the starter membership, you're going to get 2 free websites. Premium, you're going to get, I believe it's 20 or 25 that you can build. But you're going to get started already setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines. Is very important. Lesson 7, Creating Your Initial Website Content, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords, and then moving on to the next steps. So this is like I said, this is the first course that you're going to get if you're a starter member. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you, let me go back into here. Okay, so let's check on lesson 1, and I want to show you something that I really find useful. This is something that I like. Here you've got your lesson, and it goes, there's some video that goes along with it. And as you can see, it says task 1, task 2, and if you look over here on the right hand side, you're going to see like check boxes, and this is what you can use to as you go through and do each task that they want you to do, you can check them off. I personally love this feature. This is something that helps me keep focused, helps me know where I'm at within each of the training programs in each of the lessons, so that way I can, you know, stop for the day, come back the next day, and I know exactly where to pick back up at. And I'm just one of those kind of people that likes lists, especially task lists, and I will check it off as I go. It makes me feel accomplished. It makes me feel like I'm, you know, focused and doing and really making the most use of my time. So I like this feature, and I just wanted to show it to you really quickly. And that's for each lesson within this course. Okay. So that is an overview of the online entrepreneur certification courses. Like I said, I highly recommend anybody who's interested in affiliate marketing that you sign up with a Wealthy Affiliate and learn as much as you can. There's nothing like educating yourself so that you can be successful. And this is all laid out for you in one platform that has so much more than training, by the way. I'm not going to go into it in this video, but there's the hosting, there's keyword research, there's the community, there's live video training. There is just, like I said, this is an all-in-one platform, and I love it. And this is my #1 recommendation. If you're interested in affiliate marketing and want to know how to get started, and want to just have a step-by-step guide, this is for you, definitely. And I'm going to leave a link in the description. Then you can sign up for free and get your feet wet and kind of just test drive it and see if you like the platform overall. And if you use the link in the description, I will tell you this, you're going to get me personally as your mentor and your coach, and you can reach out to me at any given time if you have any questions, if you get stuck, if you need advice. I also offer people, you know, advice if they ask me for it on their websites. I'll do a real quick, you know, look over of your website and give you some constructive criticism if that's what you want. And I'm here to help you in any way possible. So if you use that link in the description, you're going to get me, and I will be reaching out to you within the, you know, right after you sign up. So I look forward to seeing you within Wealthy Affiliate, and I will see you in the next video.